presentation about Plato's cosmology, particularly the Timaeus. So, we all know the cosmology of Plato, that I will not dwell that very well because I believe out of one. So, we all know that Plato have two words. First is the word of form, which is perfect and changing, which we can found the perfect beauty. And of course, the physical world, which is just an limitation to the world of forms. Then, for Timaeus, the dialogue begins with the question of Socrates, where the universe came from. So, Timaeus answered that the universe came from because of these demiurge, or he believes that he is the creator of the universe. That is according to Timaeus, which is literally craftsman. The creator of Plato's physical world is not a divine intelligence or a personal ruler, but a manual laborer. So that is according to Timaeus in Plato's dialogue, Timaeus. So that is that the demiurge is the creator or the source of everything. Then, of course, in the creation, according to Timaeus, there are elements, and of course, these elements are earth, air, water, and fire. These elements combine in different proportions in order to form different substances in the world. These elements is created by the demiurge, who is the reason of everything, who is the reason to shape them into different forms that we see in the world. So, again, the universe, according to Timaeus, has elements. So, these elements is composed of earth, air, water, and fire. So, and the one who created all these things is no other than the creator, which Timaeus called Demiurge. Then there are three souls for Plato, or for the dialogue of Timaeus. First is the rational soul that deals with thinking and truth, spirited soul that deals with more than reflective passions, appetitive soul that deals with bodily desires. These parts correspond to the three parts of the human soul, and they are responsible for the order and harmony of the universe. So, according to Timaeus, that these souls is very essential because it is responsible for the harmony and balance of the world. The human beings are unique because they have rational soul, which sets them apart from the rest of the living beings in the universe. The rational soul is responsible for the intellectual and moral qualities of human beings, and it's immortal. So, of course, we will know that human being is unique because, according to Timaeus, that human being possess a rational soul, which distinguishes them from other living beings. Then, this is the conclusion of my report. So, Plato's Timaeus presents a complex and innovative cosmology that seeks to explain the origin of the universe through a combination of philosophical reasoning and myth. So again, the dialogue of Plato entitled Timaeus begins with the question of Socrates, which the universe came from. And of course, Timaeus replied to the question of Socrates that one of the reasons why the universe came into existence is no other than by the person of the divine craftsman or the demiurge. So that will be all. Thank you.